I'm Dr. Brett Gilbert, board certified endodontist, and I've been doing endo for over 20 years, and I love getting out and exploring what's new in the marketplace, and I wanted to bring that information to you. So let's get busy discovering together and explore what new products are out there. This episode is devoted to products from Vista Apex. Now, Vista Apex has come out with some newer products that are associated with restorative material. Now, as an endodontist, I find a greater and greater need to try to explore and find the best restorative materials since restorative endodontics has become so popular. We're finally in a position where endodontists are able to restore the access permanently, create a post-coron buildup if necessary, to make sure that a coronal seal is established after root canal treatment. But if you're a restorative dentist, this is a great introduction into these new products. The first of which is called Anchor. Anchor is a very nice, versatile core buildup material. It is dual cure. It comes in two different packagings. It comes in a larger packaging, which gives you a little more volume for the cost per milliliter. This is the 25 milliliter packaging. And then they also have the exact same product, but in a smaller packaging in a 5 milliliter package. So depending upon which way you like to dispense it, whether through a gun or through a handheld push device, this will allow you a number of different options on how to deliver this material to the tooth. The other new product that I think is really exciting is called PinkWave. So PinkWave is quite unique as a curing light because the wave of light is actually pink. It has a QuadWave technology, and I find it to be very unique and something that really grabs your attention. The reality is that this QuadWave really allows for very thorough and active polymerization of the material in which you're activating. And so working with Anchor and the PinkWave, you get a very nice effect for core buildup material. So again, two very versatile products, two new products that I wanted to introduce to you as I continue to explore the different restorative materials that are available for me to seal a tooth after root canal treatment. Okay, so restorative endodontics is a big part of my world as an endodontist, and I'm so grateful that we are finally in a position where we as endodontists are restoring accesses, creating buildups when appropriate, but in your general or restorative practice, you're doing adhesive bonding all the time. You're doing restorations all the time, and so I wanted to introduce you to a nice material, and this is called Anchor, and it comes again in two different sizes. It can be adapted to any type of bonding system. So in this case, I'm going to be using just a little 3-in-1 bond. This is just going to be your OptiBond Universal. I'm just going to go ahead and place it in position. Go ahead and get it ready. This is obviously all simulated. And we're going to go ahead and use our PinkWave. So QuadWave technology, very new, just hit the marketplace, very exciting, very lightweight, has a really nice feel to it. It's got this directed cap that allows you to place it down onto the tooth. And so what I'm going to do is just activate it for just a moment to go ahead and get this going and get this polymerized. So I'm going to, of course, always bring my glasses down into play. And we're going to activate. Kick it off. This has a number of different functions. It has bursts, it has a 20-second regular, it has a transilluminator, which I think is very, very cool. As an endodontist or any type of dentist, assessing for cracks is huge for what we do. So having this transilluminator function is very nice. So now I'm going to bring my Anchor out. Again, it has a little mixing tip. This is the smaller size packaging. So I'm going to go ahead and advance it to bring the material down into the mixing tip. So you'll see it kind of fill in there. Tries to minimally waste. It has a little dispensing tip that attaches, so you can see it there. And then you can see that it has a very nice flow characteristic. I'm going to be able to just kind of fill this access very, very nicely. Really flows together very well. Kind of bring it up and out. You could obviously do a layered approach or a bulk fill approach. This is obviously more of a bulk fill approach. And then I'll be able to just to kind of clean it up a little bit here. Again, just compatible with any bonding system. Obviously building an access is very simple, very straightforward. Doing more elaborate buildups is a little more involved. And again, having the pink light handy, we'll go ahead, we'll be able to activate and be able to cure this. So again, just a really nice feel to it. It has just a nice weight. Obviously lots of different functionality. Again, it's the red, the blue, the infrared, and also the UV light that's incorporated into this unit. So click it off, get your glasses off. So Vista Apex has a lot of different products associated with endodontic treatment directly. I was really excited to introduce you to some of the newer products that are more related to restorative. But again, restorative endodontics is a huge part of my world, so I'm really an eager student learning about all the different products that are around. And when I discovered these, I was really excited. Again, the Anchor product comes in a smaller packaging, or it comes in a larger dispensing packaging. So when you see this one, it has a much larger mixing tip. Again, the dispensing tip is a little bit further away from where you're gonna be actually treating. So everyone's gonna have their own preference, but they are the same material. And so I hope this has been helpful. Vista Apex has done a great job with these new products. So I hope you've enjoyed reviewing the new products from Vista Apex. We went over Anchor, a really nice core buildup material, as well as the PinkWave, a new curing light that has a lot of great features. I want you to know that for any dentist that's doing restorative or for endodontists doing endo and restorative, these are great options, and I give them both my seal of approval, meaning that I've tested them, I've used them in my clinical practice, and I recommend that they are useful and valid for you if you decide to give them a try. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Also, leave any comments or questions below. I would love to hear from you. I would love to interact with you. And if you have any products that you'd like me to review, please let me know. Leave a comment and I'll get back to you. So thank you for watching the video and have an awesome day.